world. I'm Maria, the creative mind behind OnehornLA. Today I'll be sharing with you something special I have been working on. So stay tuned. I'm going to do a heartfelt flip through of some of my most beloved creations in this episode. Hi guys, so let's get started. I've poured my heart into designing these bespoke folios. Basically, they celebrate life's most precious occasions, and for me, that was my sister's baby. I'm a new aunt, and that's actually the reason why I landed into this crafting world of junk journal. These are my first junk journals, and I happened to stumble onto junk journaling by researching how I can make something special for my sister. And then I started looking at all these creations from different content creators that specifically do junk journals and altar books, and I completely fell in love, and I decided to try and make my own. And I've made 4 at this moment, and actually I made 6 at this moment. 2 are still being produced, but these are my first ones. I made one for my sister, for my mom, who is a new grandmother, and for my sister's parents-in-laws. So let's start. And I just want to say, I think this is just the perfect journal if you're a mother trying to see the milestones of your child's journey, a grandmother just longing to share your legacy, or a newly couple that's seeking a unique way to hold on to their love story. These journals are the perfect way of preserving your most treasured memories, and it's just perfect. So to start, this is my sister's, the one I made for my sister. It is a fabric cover with a fabric closure, a nice stone that I put there. It's also a collage of printables and scrap paper that I had. So this is the front. It has a pocket with a little iron patch, and I have a couple of these, so I am planning to add these on my next creation. And here we have the first part of the folio. I'll start here. This is basically a little window flip that I made for them. I used a paper bag. It has a little pocket and a note for them to write to their daughter. And then you flip it and you find these really cute carousel flip book. And I added some space here so she can write a message to her daughter, and additional pictures of their love story. There is a there is a pocket here, and I added windows so you can see through the pictures that I put under here, and they're protected. And then it opens up. So this is a 3 folio. I don't know what the correct word is, to be honest. Just learning. But it's a 3-fold folio, I think that's what they're called. And I did a simple baby book for my sister, so she can add pictures of the baby and notes on here of what happened that day, so she can create a story for her. And right here, I added some more pictures, more pockets, envelopes, and just cute little writing ephemera that she can use for the baby. More memories. I do have to mention that her baby shower theme was mushrooms, so I did create these watercolor art pieces for her. So here is another ephemera paper that I put here for her to write her notes. So although I didn't make this into a typical junk journal where you have the pages binded on here, I did want to create a lot of spaces for her to be able to write, and a lot of pockets for her to be able to include pictures and other memorabilia that she might collect. But of course, these can be different. I can change this to have a binding here for junk journal, or it can go different ways. This is just one way. And then there's another section here with more pockets, a little pop-up sunflower, this card with the baby's info, handmade. I added her sign. Obviously this can all change. We can do like Bible verses or quotes instead of pictures, or as many pictures as you want. And then I have a copy of her the thank you letters that we're going to be sending off to people that gave gifts during the baby shower. Here she's going to write her note. So this is, just wanted to include that as a memory keepsake for the baby, so they know what we did when she was born during her baby shower times. Baby shower time. Are you done? And then that's pretty much it for this one. We have the back here, and I added some metal charms. Again, like mushrooms was their theme, so I added some mushrooms along with flowers for a very spring theme. Then I have this other one that I made. It's a simpler folio. It's just a two-fold folio. I did add tags and a pocket to the front. Again, more notes. And then this pocket opens, and again, this is made out of a repurposed paper bag. And I put the baby's name here, the baby's picture. Again, another stone. I have so many of these jewels. When it opens up, I put magnets on this one so it closes like this. The other one was a string ribbon closure. And another carousel flip through. Added on there. This one's actually stuck in there, so you cannot remove it. A custom card with the baby's information. More pockets and more journaling spots. More pockets, pictures. So this is a really simple one. I made this one religious because my mom is Catholic practicing. So we have the New Testament here. And then this is the back. I just wanted to emphasize these folios are not just for admiration. They're meant to become your own, to house your memories, your dreams, and aspirations. So if you find yourself drawn to them, these keepsakes, you can get your hands on your personalized junk journal by heading to my Etsy shop at OnehornLA. Remember, these are not just journals, they're a magical pathway to relive those moments that define us and bring tears, joy, and laughter, moments that we want to hold forever. And I'm sorry for the baby crying, but this is the baby that we were talking about. I will definitely post more creations and flip through soon, so hit the subscribe button and join me in exploring my creative journey at OnehornLA. And let's just embark on this creative journey together. And I can't wait to connect with each of you celebrate the beauty of life one page at a time. So thank you for being here. Until we meet again, keep spreading love and creating memories.